That's very pretty. Oh, and so is that. Oh, that's nice. What is that?
So this is baked broccolini, cherry tomatoes, red onion, lemons, and I'm going to put some feta cheese in.
Nice.
That's what we're going to be baked. And I'm making this, it's a New York Times recipe.
Who sent that to you?
And I'm making it specially for the beautiful Angela Cassato.
Oh, it's beautiful, just like Angelo. Nice. So what are you putting in now?
So I'm just seasoning it with a bit of salt and pepper.
Nice.
This goes in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes.
All right, salt and pepper, good. And then
now Denny, I'm going off piste.
Oh.
It should be just red chili flakes, but I'm going to use hot chili flakes instead because I prefer to have a bit of heat.
Oh gosh.
And a teaspoon roughly of cumin.
Nice. Did you put anything else in that pan, like any oils or anything?
It's got olive oil.
Olive oil.
It's sort of tossed in olive oil. And kind of tuck the feta in.
Good night, Feta. So you use a whole pack of Feta?
I'm kind of just doing my own thing slightly, which is not like me.
No, not at all.
And then it goes in the oven for about, like I said, 15 to 20 minutes.
So, it's not done yet, is it?
No, it's been for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
I'm just going to give it a quick stir.
Alright. And you've also got something on the boil. What's boiling?
So I'm boiling up some water because you serve this either on a bed of Orzo, which is any type of small soup pasta.
Okay.
Or you can use it on giant couscous.
Oh, okay. So you're going to do the pasta. Ta-da! So you've drained your pasta and you're going to put that on top with a little bit of basil or basil.
Basil.
And lemon. Here it comes. Baked feta, broccolini. What else is in there?
Cherry tomatoes.
Here's tomatoes,
Tomatoes.
onions, and all sorts. Delicious. Ooh, and the gin. That's a lot of